Where billionaires save, spend, and invest their money. Everyone knows that billionaires have a lot of wealth. Still, they have only acquired it at once but gradually kept building it over time, which means that they have saved, spent, or invested their money efficiently, which has helped them to become richer. They have successfully invested in stocks, mutual funds, or real estate, so it is normal for people to wonder how they do it, decide where to keep or spend their money, and whether they should keep it in cash or try to gain more profit from it. So if you're one of them and have always wanted to know the answer, then it's your lucky day today, because we are going to tell you how they do it. Watch this video until the end to find out. Here we begin. Cash and cash equivalents. When we said that billionaires invest their money in share markets or investments having the potentials for high returns, we did not mean that they invest all of it. What matters the most to them is maintaining their fortune, is not losing their hard-earned money. So, the super rich usually keeps most of their wealth in either cash or cash equivalents. And although cash provides considerably low return, it isn't liable to the volatility of equities such as real estate or even stocks. Billionaires also understand the significance of keeping the substantial cash required to cover their living expenditures and having emergency funds that may come into use unexpectedly and cannot be predicted. They also manage to retain cash on hand to seize the benefits of any potentially great investment opportunities they may encounter. It is a very good way to maintain your wealth, because practically speaking, if you invest all your money, it turns into a recipe for catastrophe when an emergency arises where you need the cash urgently. So to attain it, you must sell your investments at a loss to attain the money to use during that emergency. All that is the last thing you have in mind when you invest, because no one wants to make a loss of their investments only so they can invest it in something else. Billionaires know this very well, which is one of the main reasons they can maintain hefty cash positions. Now the question is, where do they keep their cash? Billionaires use cash equivalents such as treasury bills and bank CDs to fund their steady expenses. By establishing a ladder of their cash equivalent investments, the super rich can not only fund their ongoing expenses, but also manage to get a greater rate of return out of them compared to keeping them in a savings account. What types of bank accounts are used by billionaires? A lot of banks these days offers particular accounts for the super wealthy. These accounts generally have very high minimum balance conditions, meaning that it is in thousands or millions of dollars. However, those balances may spread over many accounts within the same bank. These accounts also offer perks such as higher rewards, lower fees, and professional financial advisors. Mutual funds. Mutual funds are a great way for affluent investors to decrease the volatility of their equity investments. These funds comprise multiple stocks, generally from different businesses. A portfolio manager purchases and trades stocks to yield the best return for the holders of these funds. Real estate. Another thing that billionaires love to spend their money on is property. Investing their money in real estate is usually popular among the super wealthy population. Purchasing properties can be leased to businesses or rented to people. Is a very good means of increasing your income. In addition to this, the value of these properties also generally increases over time. So, if they think of reselling it, then a higher income than the original price of the property is guaranteed. Stock market. Many billionaires have created their wealth, or at least some part, by investing their money in the share or stock market, or holding stock in businesses they work for or started themselves. Stocks are a productive way to increase your wealth, but the super rich also comprehend that they can lose their money in these markets. Wealthy people who frequently invest their money in these markets protect their wealth using caution while investing in stocks. In addition, they make sure that their investments are diversified, with investments in various kinds of businesses, sectors, and industries. This is how billionaires save, spend, and invest their money. What do you think of their ways to save, spend, and invest? Comment your views below and stay tuned, because we'll be back with more such financial content. Till then, remember to like and share this video. Subscribe for more such updates. Thank you for watching.